Today our project is air quality detecting obstacle avoiding robocar. So this is a very useful car in our present and in our future. This can be upgraded in many more ways, but currently we have made a demo for our presentation. Here, what the main use of this car is we have used ultrasonic sensor and gas detector. Ultrasonic sensors, when there is a obstacle on the front, the ultrasonic sensors is going to turn.
Next is ESP32. ESP32 is connecting Wi-Fi. We can control the car in Wi-Fi.
Now we have used the main board as Arduino UNO. Now, what is the use of this robotic car? So, what the use of this robotic car there are many places that human beings can't go. So, we can use this robotic car to go there and check the air quality of that place. So, what we do is we release this to the mining areas or manholes, and the gas sensor detects this gas and checks if the gas if there is any pollution present in it. If any pollution is present in it, it informs the Arduino, and Arduino the buzzer gives an alarm. Now, using the ESP32, we can connect it to the phone by an app called Blink. By connecting it to, there are two types of the app's version. One is paid and one is unpaid. Now, the paid version we can do many features, but now we are using the unpaid version. We can do 5 features. So what are the main features we can do in it is, we can move it forward, backward, both sideways. And now one more feature in this is, it can detect the pollution amount and it will send a notification to our phone. So we can know how much amount of pollution is present in that area or in that place, so that we can know if it is safe for human beings to go there and check. This we can control this in 2 ways. One is manual and one is mobile. The manual way, it will go on its own using the ultrasonic sensor. If any obstacle comes, it will take right and it will go on its own, but we will not have control in it. But if we use mobile phone and control it, we can control it and we can make it on our own and we can control it. This is about my robotic car. Thank you.